What's up, whale alert? A wallet that had lain inactive for more than 8 years has strangely been reactivated. That appears to be the precise amount Evergrande owes investors, and it's all connected. And, assuming all of this is true, Brad Garlinghouse was correct in asserting that China controls Bitcoin. Which is not news. We are all aware that China has been controlling BTC for some time, but we all attempt to disregard this. With a pseudonym like Nakamoto, it's difficult to think that BTC is not Asian in origin. Anyway, Ripple and XRP have been on a meteoric rise, which we are going to see the progression of this event. But before we do that, let's conduct some housekeeping. What's up, fellas? We are pleased to welcome you to Crypto Aussie, your preferred cryptocurrency channel. Naturally, this would not be YouTube if I did not encourage you to click that subscribe button. To receive notifications when we upload new videos, click the button and enable the notification bell. Welcome back, Crypto fam. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video. Entertaining. Now that we've cleared that up, how about we begin? Bitcoin is, to put it mildly, dubious, and that should be accepted by everyone. Indeed, it is the sole cryptocurrency that is being heralded for seemingly no reason. That is exactly what I stated. I'm sure my BTC brethren will immediately disagree, but give me a moment here to explain. Explanation. To begin, and without intending to cast aspersions, well, why is BTC required? Anyway. It's quite tough to mine, it's slow, and it's not environmentally friendly, I'm afraid. Friendly. Ensure that you understand what I mean. According to what I've read, it was the first cryptocurrency to pique the public's interest in the future of cryptocurrency. However, isn't it past time for a more modern and efficient alternative? While BTC is almost certainly here to stay, that is not the only trait a cryptocurrency possesses. He must take the initiative in governing the majority. On the other side, XRP is attempting to reconcile the crypto world with fiat, a challenging feat. Quite a feat. Additionally, this cryptocurrency is negotiating with businesses to achieve global adoption. That is, as banks adopt RippleNet, they will also adopt XRP. This will skyrocket the price of this coin, and it will not be because someone pumped it. There is considerable conjecture that Tether is to blame for Bitcoin's recent increase. That is indeed the case. Tether increased the buying pressure on BTC, which drove it to soar. Numerous fans feel that BTC's top ranking was rigged. Regardless of the circumstances, this coin should not be among the top 10. That is because it is not intended to be the world's most powerful cryptocurrency. Indeed, if Tether fails, BTC will suffer a significant decline. Which means there will be a significant gap at the top, since a new cryptocurrency will need to take the place of BTC. This is where XRP excels. XRP is on the verge of becoming the cryptocurrency industry's heart. Although this is an older post, it speaks much about the state of the crypto industry at the moment, and so is worth sharing. RippleNet is converting all money to a single language, Dwight writes in this tweet. This continuity between all banks and people on a global scale is the process by which money is transformed into a digital asset using a single language. Now consider the data that exists on every business platform on the planet. All data on the internet, on business platforms, on online sites, on phones, from governments, from legal proceedings, and from medical records, for example. Consider all of this in a single language, a single digital language, on a single platform, and connected by federated side chains. The reality is that Ripple is on the verge of becoming a massive data-driven company. About the crypto and fiat world's current events. This possibility has the potential to catapult Ripple to the top of all cryptocurrency rankings, regardless of how hard governments attempt to limit it. Regulators are attempting to ban this cryptocurrency. Suppression can only last for a short period of time before the coin's price overcomes it. Additionally, XRP is not going down without a fight. This coin has such a strong popularity in the crypto industry that I'm sure you've already heard of it. At least one individual I've encountered is pro XRP. I am not alone in believing that XRP is on the verge of exploding to new all-time highs within a few weeks' time. This coin has been building momentum in preparation for this moment, which is why everyone is waiting. XRP has reached a tipping point. The entire crypto community is currently in a state of hysteria as a result of what BTC did. However, that is not the focus we should all have. Yes, it appears as though BTC is the best option at the moment. However, to be completely candid, the coin was manipulated to its current level by whales. This means that at any point in time, BTC's price could plummet to an all-time low, so wiping out the majority of investors. As a result, traders must exercise caution when dealing with Bitcoin. Alternatively, you risk losing your entire investment in the blink of an eye. Otherwise, you must invest in cryptos that have the potential to fundamentally alter the cryptocurrency landscape. Avoid meme currencies and the notorious Bitcoin, the monarch of the crypto world. That is the point at which the majority of people lose capital simply by following the current. The nicest part about the crypto realm is that it requires an extra acute eye to see what is going on behind the scenes, and specifically in this situation, whales are squeezing XRP. If you invest where the whales invest, you can be certain that you will experience a rebound. The next millionaire in the cryptocurrency world. In that vein, let's have a look at the charts to gain a better understanding of the path this cryptocurrency is about to embark on. In mid-April of this year, XRP officially overcame resistance. Yesterday's market decline came close to touching the $1.37 barrier and also experienced a pullback. XRP is extremely bullish at the moment, displaying an inverse head and shoulders pattern. XRP should retrace its steps back towards 1.37 and then test the 1.55 resistance level. It is now time to believe that XRP will reach $2. The question is whether this will occur now or in the future. At the moment, we are in a bullish corrective pattern, which often breaks to the upside. If XRP does break higher, our first target will be $2. The good news is that we're defining the price movements parameters, as well as my lines of support and resistance. Patience is required, it will occur. Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high, approaching my aim of 70K, but has been unable to maintain gains and has fallen to approximately 10%. Price gained support in the 63K old resistance zone and is currently retracing its steps. 66K is a level of resistance and bulls need to reclaim it. A break below 63K, on the other hand, would expose 60K support and, more crucially, signify the end of the bullish trend. This would be a warning sign that a significant top at 69K is about to form. Please bear in mind that we are not financial counselors licensed by the state of California. This channel's videos are strictly for entertainment purposes. Leave your thoughts in the comment space below and we'll continue the conversation. We appreciate your attendance. Please remember to like and subscribe to this video. Enable alerts to receive notifications whenever we publish new content. We'll catch up with you in the following video.